Right, review sheet I, question 4, last one, guys. So we're separating variables again to solve a differential equation. So let's start off getting our y's on the left and our x's on the right. So let's divide down by y squared onto the left, so that gives me 1 over y squared. And the x's are already on the right, but we need to multiply it by dx and integrate both sides. Integrating on the left here is not too bad if I just rewrite that as y to the minus 2 using our index laws. Add 1 to the power makes minus 1 divided by the new power, so that's minus y to the minus 1. There it is, all the way down there. Integrating what's on the right is a little bit more tricky. So it's not by parts, as lots of you will want to do. It's best to do this by substitution. My clue here is that I've got a non-linear bracket here. And also, if you differentiate what's in the bracket, differentiating x squared makes a 2x. And I've got an x outside. So it gives me a little bit of a clue. Let's just get rid of that. So we're doing substitution. Let's make the thing inside the brackets u, and then, as usual, we differentiate that. So du by dx, differentiating x squared makes 2x, and rearranging it for dx, so multiplying up with dx onto the right, and dividing down by, multiplying up by dx on the right, divided by 2x gives me this. Okay, let's substitute all those things in. So, substituting in x we haven't got rid of yet. The thing inside the bracket is our u, and we've replaced dx with this. Gives me du over 2x. And something very nice is happening because I've got an x on the top here and an x on the bottom there. So they're going to cancel, which gives me u to the half over 2 du. I've rewritten that as a half rather than all over half there. Okay, so the left, we said that that was minus y to the minus 1. The right, we're going to integrate like normal now. We've got it down to something simple. So add 1 to the power. Half plus 1 is 3 over 2. Divide by the new power. So if I divide 1 by 3 over 2, I get 2/3. And we're integrating so plus c. And we probably ought to stick that x's back in instead of u. Oh, sorry, I've got half times 2/3 simplifies to a third first, and then I've substituted them back in. Okay, we haven't finished. It tells us y equals 1 and x equals 0, so we can't leave that plus c in anymore. We've actually got to work out what it was. So y equals 1, x equals 0, let's substitute that in. So making y 1 and putting that into here, we've got minus 1 over 1. That's minus 1. The substituting x in, I had a third. 1 plus 0 comes to 1. So c then is minus 1 minus a third, or minus 4/3. Okay. Let's rewrite our final answer, but with the c in. So I've got minus 1 over y equals a third, 1 plus x squared, all to the 3 over 2, take away 4/3, and we finished. Well done.